Welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Manya Gupta and we have got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. Starting with OpenAI O1, the future of AI but slower and pricey. OpenAI just unveiled its O1 model, a new AI that thinks before responding, making it smarter but also slower. This model shines in complex tasks like coding, maths and science. So much so, it's said to perform at a PhD level in these areas. But it's not so perfect. OpenAI admitted it lacked features like web browsing and image uploads that we are using in ChatGPT 4o. For developers, there is also a cheaper, faster O1 mini model, great for coding tasks. However, with these advanced abilities comes a higher price tag. Will these new AI be worth the cost? Next, we have Google Gemini Live. AI chat is now free over there. Exciting news for Android users. Google AI features Gemini Live is rolling out for free. Previously only for paid users, now anyone can chat with Gemini in real time. Just open the Gemini app, tap the new waveform with the sparkle icon and you are ready to chat. You can even use your phone while talking. Gemini Live offers 10 new voices and a keep transcript of your chat history so you can pick up where you left off anytime. Although it doesn't support Gmail, YouTube Music yet, Google promises that these features will come soon. So keep an eye on the phone, it might pop up as soon. Next, Telangana's AI city, Hyderabad's big leap into the future. Telangana is positioning itself as a global AI hub with plans to build an exclusive AI city near Hyderabad. Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy aims to make this a thriving center for AI innovation, research and collaboration. The state has signed 26 MOUs with companies and startups, focusing on infrastructure, generative AI and skill development. The AI city will host major players including MNCs and research institutions. With partnerships like NVIDIA for AI training and Meta for e-governance, Hyderabad is becoming the perfect ground for AI advancements. The AI initiative is expected to boost the state's economy and create massive job opportunities by 2025. Before we dive into the fascinating world of AI, take a moment to give this video a big thumbs up if you are loving it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay plugged into each and everything in the tech. Why subscribe? Because IT Voice is your ultimate source for cutting-edge tech updates, from groundbreaking AI innovations to the hottest startups shaking up the industry. We bring you fresh, in-depth content, keeping you ahead of the game as tech continues to transform our digital life. So hit subscribe and become a part of IT Voice family today. Coming to the news of AI, AWS selects 7 Indian AI startups for Global Accelerator Program. Amazon Web Services has selected 7 generative AI startups from India for its prestigious Global Generative AI Accelerator Program, marking India as a rising AI hotspot. The chosen startups include Converse, House of Models, Neural Garage, Orbo.ai, Fort.ai, Unscript AI, and Zoki. These startups specialize in areas like 3D object optimization, digital content creation, seamless dubbing, hyper-personalization in beauty, AI-powered photo editing, virtual video production, and digital ad creation. With India having the highest representation in the Asia-Pacific Japan region, AWS support will provide the startups with tools and infrastructure to scale globally, advancing the AI landscape. Oracle has launched the world's first Zetascale cloud computing cluster powered by NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs, offering 131.072 GPUs and delivering 2.4 zettaflops. This outspaced competitors like AWS and Google Cloud, positioning Oracle as a leader in AI infrastructure. The cluster supports advanced AI workloads with NVIDIA's GB200 Grace Blackwell superchips, enabling faster training and inference. OpenAI has partnered with Oracle to scale its AI operations, while Elon Musk AI has chosen to build its own data center. Oracle's Zetascale cluster marks a breakthrough in cloud and AI computing. Meta updates AI labeling policy for Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. What's the news? Meta has revised its labeling policy for posts edited using AI tools across Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. The AI info label, previously shown under the user's name, will now be hidden in the menu, accessible via 3 dots on a post. However, fully generated AI content will still display in the label in its usual spot. Meta also announced that it will clarify whether content is tagged due to shared industry signals or self-disclosure. These updates rolling out next week aim to address concerns about misleading labels and will ensure transparency. So the news begins with Adobe, which is set to release a new AI-powered video creation and editing tool, Adobe Firefly Video Model, in a limited beta later this year. This tool, part of Adobe's Firefly suite, can generate 5 seconds video clips from text or image prompts and interpret specific instructions like camera angles and motion. The new feature positions Adobe in the growing AI video market, competing with tools like OpenAI's Sora and Stability AI's Stable Video Diffusion. Adobe emphasized the tool is trained only on licensed or public domain content, ensuring that no customer data is used. Additionally, Adobe's Premiere Pro will soon include a generative extend feature to seamlessly add 2 seconds to existing clips. So that's all for this week's AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below.